What you are looking at is our Unity Angel, a very special creation indeed. She was birthed into existence at a charitable event for the International Angel Museum, where Grammy Award-winning musician Barry Goldstein and myself, visionary artist Lori Daniel Falk, both performed live on stage together. Barry was on one side of the stage and I on the other, while the Unity Angel took center stage. This powerful healing portrait was revealed stroke by stroke, projected on the stage between us. Let me share with you her message of hope. We are the ones we've been waiting for. You've no doubt heard this before, and you'll no doubt hear it again, simply because it is truth. While things might seem chaotic in the moment, it is our time to come together as one, to set aside our differences and offer one another gentle guidance, inspiration, and hope. All of us have been waiting for each other, waiting for this moment, and it has arrived. Let the words of the Song of Unity ring in our hearts as we hold the vision of coming together as one. Our time is now. Our time has come. We're of the Spirit. We all are one. Joining together, our voices strong, heartbeat to heartbeat, singing our song of love and peace and harmony, of joy and light, our spirits free, lifting ourselves in energy. This is our song of unity. Coming together, standing steadfast. This is our future, present and past. Come one, come all, let's show the way. This is our moment. It's here to stay. Of love and peace and harmony, of joy and light, our spirits free, lifting ourselves in energy. This is our call of unity. We are apart, lighting our way. We're all a symbol of this new day. Feeling our spirits, keeping us strong. We all are angels, singing our song of love and peace and harmony, of joy and light and spirits free, lifting ourselves in energy. This is our song of unity. This Unity Angel angelic message portrait is an epigenetic emotional healing tool designed specifically to allow one to set aside differences, to assist one in guiding others with inspiration, support, and love, and to teach the world that standing together will prevail over standing alone.